What's that, ma'am?
1 second.
Is it chart, ma'am?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll explain what is it and what's. Yeah, I told you welcome you all to your term 2, right? So what is your term 2? This is theme 4, right? Sorry, unit 4. So what is your unit 4 name? I know I think the old students who are there, you are familiar with your all the unit 6 names. Anybody? Yes? Yeah, Nimira? What's your unit 4 name?
Building bridges going ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, what's that mean?
Means like if we want in education, if we want to go for, we should we should never give up and we should keep going forward by building those bridges.
Yeah.
From
What?
term 1 to term 2, we are building a bridge and moving ahead.
Yeah, very good. And Anahita, anything else you want to speak? The same thing.
Yeah, the same as well, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So you'll be moving ahead from term 1, term 1 to term 2, right? Yeah. So you are having the subjects, you are all familiar with your subjects, whatever you are having, like English, Hindi, Telugu, English, science, ICT, maths, and social, right? So these are your topics. Like why I am going to discuss this is our BOMIS curriculum is designed no other school, in any other school is not like that. Which is, I mean, our curriculum is like integrated curriculum. You know that, right? You all know that BOMIS curriculum is integrated, right? Integrated means one subject is related to any other way. It is related to the other subjects also. Unknowingly, you might be not knowing that how it is related, but uh, all the subjects are interrelated to one another. That is nothing but integrated. So our curriculum is thematic and also integrated learning, right? Thematic means each unit or theme, whatever it is related, means all the subjects are related to the theme or as well. Okay. Now coming to your maths, your topics are like exponents, identities, factorization, speed, distance in time, and symmetry. Like what is your unit name? It's building bridges, right? So how can you connect that building bridges, your unit name to your topics of the max? Is there any relation? Can anybody tell? No? Okay, no, it's not that compulsory that the subject should be related. But if you think na, some other way it is connected, the topics are connected to your unit name, right? Now English you have journey to the center of the earth, right? And grammar like verbs and its kinds, compound prepositions, active and passive voice, creative writing, and diary entry. And next, ICT, what you are having, it's authorizing in HTML, tags and attributes, formatting web pages, and inserting images, links in a web page, right? So this HTML, I told you that each subject is interrelated, like it's integrated, right? How this now ICT, how it is integrated with other all the it might not be integrated with all the subject. At least with one subject, it will be integrated. For suppose you take this HTML, right? For writing, we need HTML documents. HTML documents need to be written in Notepad, right? You all know what is Notepad. For writing documents, we need Notepad. So that is nothing in which language we will be writing in normal English language only, right? So we need English grammar or whatever it is, right? So in this way, ICT is integrated with English. Similarly, in lower classes, if we take like we have MS Word in the lower classes, right? So that is nothing but English only. It is integrated with English once again. And like MS Paint, they are having. MS Paint is nothing but doing something creativity, using creativity, nothing but art. So in that way, in that case, ICT is related to arts. So in this way, any, I mean, wherever it is, even, I mean, it is each subject is integrated with one of the other subjects and also related to the theme or unit, whatever it is, right? Now coming to your social. What is that you are having in social? State government and its role, media and democracy, political and advertising, markets around us, retail and wholesale markets, Geography, our changing earth and movement of ocean, water. And what else in science we are having? Central nervous system, time and motion and force. Yeah, forest. Okay. హిందీ మాతృభాషకి పహచాన్ ఓకే కోయల్ గ్రామాలలోని వేడుకలు ఓకే సీడ్ ఇష్టాలు ఓకే. So in this way, finally, what I would like to enhance is like that here, our BOMIS curriculum is integrated with all. I mean, one subject is interrelated to any of the subject. So our curriculum is integrated and thematic, which is not available in any of the schools, right, Nana? And so we are having total 6 units or 6 themes, right? So why each why they have given themes or units actually means there might be something, right, reason behind that. It's not simple. So all the other very compared to all the other schools, they'll be having like normal, not these themes or units. They will not be having all these. Why only BOMIS is having following these themes and units? Because there might be some reason behind that. That is nothing but our themes are designed in such a way that each theme is related to our topics in the subjects. Whatever topics or subjects we have, each subject or topic is some other way it is related to the theme or unit. That is why ours is integrated curriculum, right? Now I'll close this one second. Yeah, that's it. Now coming to our, what is it? What is our unit 4 name? You told me like it's unit 4 building bridges going ahead. This is our unit name, building bridges going ahead. Now coming to our ICT. You all know what is HTML? HTML. Hypertext markup language. So I hope you all are having course books. Everyone, you have taken your course books? Just those who have taken, raise your hands. Those who have taken, raise your hands. No? You have not taken? You know that from today it will be theme for unit 4 will be started, right? So we were there yesterday also in the school. Why you did not turn up? Yeah, who? Nehita, you are having? Nitika, you are having? Rishita is having. You are having doubt, Nehita? Yes, Nehita, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, my father, now he is in the school, so he's bringing.
Okay, no, oh, okay. Rishita, okay, I have seen.
Yes, ma'am. And whatever you have written on the board, we have to copy it.
No need, no need. No need to copy. Okay. And who else are having books? Nimira, okay. Okay, Nana. Right. Now, as today is the first class, I'll just read the course book, okay? Just we will go through the reading of the course book and you have to find out the hard words if you find any and underline the hard words. I will check. Okay. Those are having books, they can open the first page and I will be reading. If you find any hard words or new words, just underline. I will ask after the class. Okay. Now, I'll start. What is the first topic? It's authoring in HTML. The internet is a network of networks. One of the most important parts of the internet is called the World Wide Web, WWW. You all know that. The World Wide Web is made up of millions of websites. A common reason for having a website is to present ideas, to entertain, or to provide information and services for other people, much like a book or newspaper does. You can classify websites according to their purposes. These include personal, business, e-commerce, educational, and news and entertainment. What comes under personal is people create these type of site for many reasons such as sharing stories and pictures with friends and family, showing a holiday or adventure, use it to try out web design ideas. Business, it's created by a company or business to inform customers of their latest products, sometimes used to recruit new staff, to feature companies' news and events, download manuals and brochures. E-commerce, this type of site is dedicated to selling goods and services directly over the internet. An e-commerce site includes a number of things for sale, a payment method such as credit card. Educational, dedicated to educate and inform people, for example, online encyclopedias, online training courses, online educational videos. Last is news and entertainment. These kind of sites let their viewers know of the latest facts and like gossips. News sites, sports sites, and celebrity sites. So the World Wide Web is an information system where each resource is identified by URL, uniform resource located, and accessed using an internet browser. A web page is a page containing text, images, audio, videos, and links to other web pages. A person who develops the web page is known as web developer. A website consists of a set of related web pages, or we can say it is a collection of several web pages that are linked to each other. A web document is written using markup languages. A markup language defines the style and layout of a web document. For example, HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is a markup language that defines the style and layout of a web document in a simple text file. HTML is known as a versatile language because it is platform independent, developed by scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. HTML is a hidden code that helps us communicate with others on the World Wide Web. Some characteristics of HTML are listed below. Simple and easy to learn, non-case sensitive language, code can be written using simple text editor, consists of markup tags, document is saved with file extension .html or .htm. HTML tags are text written within opening angular brackets and closing angular brackets, sign or angle brackets. The word letters between these two angle brackets are called elements. Elements are the coded commands within HTML. Elements tell the browser how to display the web page. Example, the words HTML, title or body, etc. are elements. Elements in HTML code is also not case sensitive. Example, capital HTML is same as small, means not it is not case sensitive, either we can write in capital letters or small letters, that is case sensitive. There is an opening tag which indicates the starting point and closing tag with marking the end point. The closing tag is similar to an opening tag except that it starts with a forward slash given immediately after the angular bracket symbol. Tag or elements in an HTML document. There are two types of elements: container elements, the elements that require a closing tag, Empty element, the elements that do not require a closing tag. Attributes. Attributes provide extra information about the tags or elements. An attribute is contained inside the opening tag. HTML program elements or tags. The HTML tag defines the document as an HTML file. The browser will define everything in between the HTML and HTML as an HTML document. Head tag. Head tag contains information about the web page such as title. Title bar appears in the title bar of the Internet Explorer window. Title tag. Title tag encloses the title of the web page which is displayed in the title bar of the browser. Tags, both title, open title and end title are used to make the words appear in this bar. Final last one is the body tag. The body tag encloses the main content of the web page. This tag consists of the text, graphics, images that are used for giving a presentable look to a web page. Structure of an HTML document. And HTML has a basic structure for its programs. In order to correctly interpret the program, the browser needs to have some basic commands that should always be present. An HTML program has three basic parts: the main structure, the heading, and the body. Main structure consists of HTML tags, which is compulsory to give in every program. Head of an HTML document is where you enter the title of the web page. It contains information about the document that is not displayed on the screen. The body of an HTML document contains text, headings, graphics, etc. that is displayed as a part of a web page. That's it. Okay. Yes, ma. Now, did you, I mean, I have read completely the topic, right? HTML. Did you understood little bit? No. Okay. First of all, did you underline the any hard words, Nimira? Would you please read? No hard words. You did not find any hard words or new words. Shall I tell what are that? Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Yes, ma. I will tell you the hard words now. Underline. I mean, those who are having books, those who don't have, again, don't worry, I'll repeat it. Okay. Um, the full form of URL you can underline: Uniform Resource Locator. Or else just write it down, ma. Take out all your ICT notes, everyone. Keep, what is that you'll keep? Unit 2 name, sorry, Unit 4. It's term 2, Unit 4, right? Write everything. Term 2, Unit 4. Right, building bridges ahead, going ahead. Write everything in one page. Building bridges, going ahead. Okay, and our topic is web authoring in HTML. Write everything. This is term 2, Unit 4, building bridges, going ahead. Okay, new words you can write. First one is, I told you, URL, Uniform Resource locator. Any doubts? You can raise your hands at any time. Second one is attributes you are having. Your new word is tag is also a new word for you, right? New words means you are listening these new, words for the first time. It's not that you are small kids and I'm giving hard. It's not hard words. New words means you are coming across these words for the first time. Okay, that is new words. Means you are learning for the first time. Mm, right? Any doubts? You can raise your hands. So the new words which you come across in this topic are uniform resource locator, attributes, tag, markup language, and container element. Is it clear? Completed? Okay. Everyone on your videos? Snitika, Sanjana, Abhinav, Shreya, Dheeraj? No, I'll not erase. Write down. Yeah. Done, my everyone? So what is HTML actually? Did you understood? Anyone? So first tell me, what is the most important part of the internet? I told you what is the part of the internet? Will just Nitika you will tell? What is the most important part of an internet?
What is the most important?
part of the internet is?
What is the most?
Yeah, Kundana, tell. Yes, ma, tell Kundana.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What is the important part of the internet actually? Daily you'll be going through that.
Is it a URL or a web page,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
is it communication?
No, ma, it's www.
Oh,
Ma'am, worldwide.
Yeah,
yeah,
worldwide
ma'am, yeah,
web.
ma'am.
World Wide Web is the most important part of the
Internet.
internet. Daily you'll be using it for any other reason, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nimira?
Yeah, ma'am, worldwide.
Yeah, without that, there is nothing, I think, right? Now, nowadays, each and everything is
Even
dependent
for
on that.
opening the star MCB also we need to have
Yeah,
this.
so everything
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
running around the www.com, right?
Yeah,
Now,
ma'am.
so what is a website actually? It is a collection. Yes, ma, Kundana?
It is a collection of websites.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's
even
a collection.
nowadays we use HTTPS also.
That without browser you'll not get it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma. Website is a collection of web pages. Like website is like a book. A book will be having number of pages, right? So web pages are number of pages in a book. Okay, a website is a book. Now, how many? There are so many websites according to our purposes. Which are what are they? Personal websites are there, business websites are there, e-commerce, educational, news and internet entertainment. Right? Personal comes
Yeah.
under our personal uses. Like if we want to share anything with our friends or families, we can have a personal
Like WhatsApp.
websites.
Like WhatsApp, ma'am. Like
Yeah.
web WhatsApp. WhatsApp,
Yes.
Facebook.
WhatsApp,
Facebook,
No, Facebook is a
Twitter.
public website, no.
Like
It's
social
a
media sites.
social media,
Yeah,
but it's personal only, right?
yeah,
Now,
ma'am. Like social media sites.
business people, they each company or whatever it is, they will be having their own company website for which includes their customer details or to recruit new staff. They need interviews they need to give. They will publish in their websites, all that, right?
Yeah,
And
ma'am. Like Amazon.
yes, e-commerce means e-commerce comes under online stores. Means nowadays there is everything online only, right? So
Amazon,
Yes.
ma'am.
I'm getting some disturbance.
Amazon or Flipkart, Myntra.
Yeah, online websites. E-commerce means the online stores, whatever we are shopping, uh, so many
The
things using credit
online,
cards. All
yeah.
that includes e-commerce websites. Education means you all know now we are in educational website, right? We are going through online classes. That is nothing but comes under educational this thing, right?
Website.
Yeah, news and entertainment, nothing but games, video games. News means updates of day to day, all that comes under news and entertainment websites, right? So these are the types of websites which we are using for depending upon our purposes. Now, each World Wide Web has information system where each resource is how we can identify the website with its URL. Each and every website will be having its own URL as you have an identity by your names, right? You are having names, that is your identity. Similarly, each website will be having its own identity, that is nothing but uniform resource locator, URL. Okay, which we need to access when we are using internet browser. We simply can't type something meaningless or that thing,
Ma'am,
right?
the full form of URL is Uniform Resource
Resource
Locator.
locator. Yeah. Okay. A web
Ma'am,
page
it is like URL means also will tell us sometimes in WhatsApp they'll tell copy the URL code and save.
that's what if we copy that URL, what happens? That whatever is there in that website, it will be opened, right? So that is nothing but URL might not be 2 letters or 3 letters. It might be a link also, right?
Ma'am, it works with HTTP.
Yes, that is why we are using HTTP. Is nothing but it is used to create documents in these URLs, web browsers. Okay, ma? Now,
Yes.
as I told you, a website is a collection of web pages, and what are the web pages contains actually? They might be including text. A web page can have a text or images or graphics, whatever it is. Right? It's not compulsory that a web page should have only text, only images, right? So if you open
Yes.
a web page, you can see a lot of things, including text. You can see some information or images or videos or whatever it is, right? So that is a web page. And who develops this web page? He is called, he or she, whatever is, who develops this web page, they are called web developers. And as I told you, a book is a collection of pages. Similarly,
Ma'am,
website is a
web
collection of.
designer means,
Yes, ma Nehita?
ma'am, website
One sec.
designers means who are they?
Ma'am, that means web page or web authorization is also part of HTML.
Yeah. Rishita? Yes.